It's another week, and that means there are more free virtual PD workshops available from CodeHS. Let's get into the sessions happening next week. Next week's free PD theme from CodeHS is Python. If you're new to teaching Python or using CodeHS, let's get started with Monday, June 17th, Getting Started Teaching Python, where teachers will be able to explore the Introduction to Python course, talk with a teacher trainer who has answers to all of their CodeHS questions, and discover some of the teacher tools available with CodeHS. Next up, we have Tuesday, June 18th, Deeper Dive into Teaching Python. In this webinar, you'll explore some instructional strategies, including collaboration within the CodeHS sandbox. We'll also be discussing some blended learning strategies and be able to try out some of the curriculum. If you are one of our new CodeHS Python educators, one, welcome, and don't be afraid to join both of these sessions as they're completely free. Go to codehs.com/freepd to register, and we'll see you there.